So my Marist ministry is about serving, supporting and leading the schools, the Marist schools in my region and across Australia. And a really important and exciting part of that is identifying and nurturing the young leaders of the future. These are the women and men with strong minds and compassionate hearts who will carry on the work of Marsland into the future.
Investing in and ensuring the formation of our teachers and leaders is the way that I ensure the future of Marist life and ministry. And we do this by ensuring that our Catholic schools are places of genuine Christian community lived in the way of Mary.
And I think we do it by building relationships. I think we do it by the programs of formation that we offer, whether it be retreats, spirituality, leadership opportunities, even our own lived experiences. The aim to support people in coming to know God or nurturing their relationship with God. And why? Because our schools as centres of spirituality, of authenticity and vitality, depends upon it.
Marist education will continue to be a disruptive edge if it remains true to St Marsland's challenge to all Marist educators. Influence your students through personal witness and interpersonal relationships. In the robust busyness of school life, Marist will continue to be a disruptive edge in the modern world by being a living gospel. Pope Francis recently said, "To be a teacher is to live a mission." Jesus is our guide to the disruptive edge.
There's really only 7 stories that Mary's involved in the life of Jesus, in the gospel stories. But when we look to those doing words, she pondered, she treasured, she went and visited, she celebrated, she organised community, she was there loyally at the difficult times. She made sure that others got to know about the story of Jesus at Pentecost. All of those little moments are a guide for us about how to respond. And the more we talk with our students and our staff and our broader community about those doing things that we hear from the stories of Mary, the more we bring that Marial dimension to life.
Our defining Marist characteristics must be faith-based education. Otherwise, why be Catholic? And yet I believe we have many students who are believers without belonging. And part of our ministry must commit to equal discipleship, examining our attitudes and our treatments of racial minorities, women, LGBTQ individuals, and others who are living on the margins. And as educators, all of us know we are engaged in the ministry of meaning, to wonder, to question, to explore, to learn, to care.